Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to include videos in WhatsApp backup. To do this, you just need to go to your WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp, and after that, go and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen and click on Settings. And after that, scroll down a little bit and click on Chats. In Chats, scroll down a little bit until you find Chat Backup. In Chat Backup, scroll down a little bit until you find an option called Include Videos. You just need to activate that option, and like that, you will include videos in your backup. And of course, you need to backup again, so you will include your already existing videos in your backup. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.